Yawning has involved psyche for researchers for a long time. All in all, what does yawning capacity in our bodies? The primary research on yawning was directed 2,500 years back by Greek specialist Hippocrates, and reasoned that yawning helped tidy up awful air in the body, particularly during a fever. This view is a 19th century C. He stayed commanding until the 19th century. In this century, researchers currently accepted that yawning inhaled to expel carbon dioxide from the body and permit more oxygen into the circulatory system. Provini, then again, didn't perceive any adjustment in the manner in which his volunteer subjects had an assortment of gas inventions. Numerous hypotheses were increasingly centered around the irresistible attribute that was fascinating about yawning. At the point when somebody yawns, 50% of individuals react by yawning, Provini said. It's infectious to the point that seeing somebody yawning, hearing it, even simply finding out about it, is sufficient to trigger the yawning activity, he says. Yawning correspondence. Due to this component, a few specialists started to think about whether yawning was a crude type of correspondence. Provided that this is true, what was yawning and being told? Some frequently yawn when we're drained, so some have guaranteed that it might be the capacity of carrying everybody's organic clock to a similar setting. Yawning can be assigned capacity to all the while adjust the conduct of a social gathering, for instance, to guarantee that everybody rests simultaneously, says Christian Hess of the University of Bern. So the following day, bunch individuals can work considerably more productively. In any case, when we're focused on, we yawn. That is the reason numerous specialists, including Provini, accept that yawning is a stimulating capacity of the mind, and that when rest falls, its attentiveness permits it to be pulled together when consideration is scattered. With the spread inside the gathering, it is workable for everybody to build up a similar degree of consideration.